Prison Break for anybody. Anybody would be mad if I brought Prison Break up? So I can restart Prison Break here.
But his destiny is to save us all.
And one of the areas that people have told us that they wanted us to make changes is in our seek bar. So in Windows 7 now, you can actually click to scan through the seek bar and jump ahead. It's now an interactive bar for people to be able to use. So lots of advancements on playback, lots of advancements on how the UI is able to bring in content like this, and as far as through different TV tuner formats, and lots of enhancements on interaction with that content when it comes up on screen. So I'm going to stop this and move into that whole broadcast television story that we talked about with an integrated guide. So a couple of my favorite features when we talked about that DVR functionality, I'll just resort my menu here, is what we're calling an integrated TV guide. So I now have an ability to have my broadcast television sit right within my broadband television, my internet TV. So you can see here, here's all of the internet stuff that's delivered, and here's the things that are coming across my TV tuner. And so one of the things you can see here is there's also show cards associated with all these popular shows. So instead of just seeing metadata about it, they're actually going to see show cards about the Today Show, about Live with Regis and Kelly, and all these other shows. One of the other things that we've made major improvement in is the navigation of the guide. So if I press and hold the guide now, you're going to see us jump into what we call turbo scroll. Turbo scroll is just an internal name, but ultimately you can see as I'm just holding the guide, and this could be my remote control, the days are just flying by telling me it's morning, noon, night, evening, and I can stop at any time and just take my finger off it, find a new show to watch, and this allows me to have anything that I'm looking at here. Let's find something interesting. Incredible Hulk. Maybe with that. I want to find a movie so I can show you some cool stuff going on in this. Actually, let me just move over here. So you can see that with all of this content that we have, we can sort it. I'm trying to find a movie in this. Let's see. Yeah, chance that I just can't find one right now. Raising Hell. There we go. So I want to show you this because the details cards have changed significantly. One of the things in Windows Vista, we got a lot done with the initial UI, but once we sent you into like recording a show, we kind of went back to the way that we did it in XP, just because we didn't change out all those details. Well, in Win7, we now have brought all of the details of what that piece of content is into a new user feel and user look. So you can see I get a synopsis of the show, and I can record it, obviously. But if I start moving through these details page, many of you have seen our ability to associate cast and crew with any specific movie. So I can go down here and I can say, you know, I really like Kate Hudson. I want to see other movies that she's in. I can just simply click on Kate Hudson there. But the other thing that we're doing is we're now able to associate, you know, similar movies, and you've seen this as well inside, but it's many, many clicks into MediaCenter, but now it's right at the face card of this particular movie. I see these are other movies that you may like that are like this. And I can go down and I can select any one of them and I can find out more information about it. And then here's a spot. We don't have any data coming into this, but we can also associate a movie like Raising Helen with all this on-demand content. So not only are we driving the richness of that specific show with all of its other shows related to it and all the other things those actors are related to, we're also relating that